Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 7 Pro and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator just like I have, then all you have to do in order to show the percentage, of course, you have to enter the settings. Right here we have to find the battery, so let's tap, and as you can see at the very bottom of this list we've got the battery percentage, so this operation is not really complicated as you can see, and basically all we have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see actually immediately we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery next to the battery indicator. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again, but let me leave it turned on as it is quite useful. So basically that's all. This is how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in your Google Pixel 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.